Hey there, Johnny from Pozotron, and this is a tutorial on what to do if you've been invited to collaborate on a project within Pozotron. So if somebody's using Pozotron to streamline their audiobook productions or voiceover productions, they might invite you to collaborate if you're working on the project as well. If so, you'll get an email like this. It'll let you know who's invited you to collaborate on the project, what's the name of the project, just a little bit of information there. By hitting Open Project, you'll be brought to a page, if you've never logged in before, that you can create your own Pozotron account. It's completely free of charge. You just need your email, first, last name, password, and to agree to the privacy policy. If you already have an account, you can just enter your credentials here. You'll be brought to that project. So this is what a project looks like in Pozotron. If you're unfamiliar with this, you can use this Get Help button. This will send an email to me and the rest of our team here at Pozotron. We can answer your questions and help you get started. Or you can check out our YouTube channel where we've got Pozotron Studio tutorial. Tons of videos there explaining all of the different things that Pozotron can help you out with. Now, if you have been invited to join an enterprise organization, it's a little bit different. So from here, the email will let you know you've been invited to join their enterprise organization in Pozotron Studio. What that means is you'll be given access to all of their projects and not just that specific project. So similarly, all you have to do to access it is hit the accept invitation. Be brought to a page where it's telling you who has invited you and what permissions they've given you. So staff at Pozotron has invited me to collaborate with the admin role. To continue or accept, just hit that continue button. You'll be brought to Pozotron, but instead of just being able to see one project, if you go to My Projects, you'll see every project that organization has in their Pozotron account, and you'll have access to each one. Like I said, if you need any help with this or if anything's unclear, use this Get Help button. That'll let us know. We're very quick to respond, or you can check us out on YouTube.